Students really start preparing for practice from day one.
The ability to practice hands-on, the ability to really apply the skills with either simulated or real patients happens in the first semester. So we give opportunities right away.
The goal of our program is to help students to be practice ready by giving them experiences that will help to guide them leading up to their clinical placements, but then ultimately helping them to be ready whenever it's time for their first job.
They start out maybe working with each other, classmate to classmate, and then a simulated patient is a community member who's been trained in order to model the diagnoses or the symptoms that they might encounter in real practice.
We also have a pro bono clinic where people are coming in from the community to receive therapy services where students are working alongside of our clinicians.
It scaffolds that in a way that allows students to build that confidence so that when they are with somebody who is in more of a vulnerable state, their confidence in themselves is there.
And it helps them take that knowledge into a next level.
We have an inpatient simulation lab. We've got individual treatment rooms that are available that look just like you would see in a clinic. We have this ADL room that I'm sitting in, which stands for Activities of Daily Living. It's a mock apartment. The resources are so well constructed and consulted specifically for our students.
So getting that hands-on activity early on is really critical.
We believe it's the combination of resources that are available to students while they're on campus learning, the ability for our faculty to create and curate really valuable learning experiences from simulation all the way to pro bono patient care that allow our students to grow and thrive within the program to help them to become the practitioners we know they can be.